Right, hello guys, it's Tiles here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got this Razer Ornata keyboard. I picked this up for £10, I think it was. The problem is, as you can see on here, I mean I've just done a tester on the laptop as well, but as you can see here, all of these keys work, everything works. You can see it's got the thing on to light up when the keys work, but this whole row doesn't work. Enter works, everything else works. On the tester as well, everything else works. But this row here doesn't work. Is there going to be screws under these, maybe? I think there's a hidden screw there. Are these screws? They don't look... Oh no, I can see right through them, so they're not screws. So maybe under these... Yeah, looks like, yes, we have screws under these. So I'll stick them to the side for now. I'll come back to you guys once I've got these off. Okay, so it turns out all of these did need to come off. They're just little covers. They're quite, I think they're actually plastic and not just like stickers. But all of these needed to come off, and 4 screws there. I can't see a screw under that middle bit. It almost looks like the mold, there was maybe going to be one there, but then they didn't put one there. So I've kind of ruined that sticker for no reason, I think. But now we should, I don't know if this is just going to pop out everywhere, keys go flying, I don't know. Can we get this corner up? Am I missing something? Oh, pop. Okay. Do I pull this up? Is this a bad decision? Right. So it is a membrane keyboard that sounds and feels like a mechanical keyboard. I mean, it feels a little bit membraney, like the sponginess when you push them down, but you hear the clicks and everything. Interesting. So, in terms of this part, if I think the keys will come out if I turn this upside down now. It'll all fall out everywhere. Not that it would be the end of the world, because I would be able to put them back. Oh, unless maybe... No, this white plate I think holds the keys in. Yeah. So that doesn't... So what makes the... What makes it feel more like a mechanical keyboard then? Because that doesn't feel at all, or sound at all. But then when that's in, it does. Interesting. I wonder how that works. If it's out like this, nothing. Put this in. You get that almost like switch. Very interesting. Razer, what have you done? Right, so this is the number pad here. Which line is it going to be? Also, are these the LEDs? Oh, that's the back of the LEDs, I see. So this is the back of the LEDs that there's like a hole in the keyboard here, in the PCB that you can see them through. So there's two layers to this film here. I've stuck all of these to my hand. Nice. So that's quite interesting. I don't want to peel them apart or anything, because I feel like that could cause issues. Although I don't know anything about membrane keyboards or anything like that, so I don't know. I just don't know, to be honest. So is it a case of just the pressure connects these two layers or something? So then that makes a connection. Could that be how this works? Because I know sometimes you have like some sort of pads on these which make a connection. It's like some sort of conductive pad or something, but that doesn't seem to be this. I mean, it seems extremely simple in terms of like how much is actually going on here, right? Because all of these are just the LEDs, and then the traces, I mean, we've got all of these, I mean, they're labelled D59, D40, D18. There's two missing here. Not sure if they're supposed to be missing. I'm assuming they are, because I've not seen any parts rolling around. Although these ones are filled in this side. But I can't see anything that stands out instantly. It all looks very, very clean. Something looks a little crusty there, but it's probably just some flux or something from the factory. Right, so if I look at this in a sense of a layout of a keyboard now, because essentially it's still, the shape is still there, I think. Can I see the layout from the LEDs? Although there's an LED missing there. There's an LED missing here. Why would that be missing? Should that be missing? Yeah, I guess so, because there's one missing there as well. And here. So I guess that are blanks for something else. But all the others, you can see where the dots are, where the key presses would be. And this one doesn't have a dot there. So if we look at it from this side, we can see, yeah, that's the number pad area there. So yeah, so it's backwards now, isn't it? So number pad, the being backwards is confusing a little bit. So the escape button is here. So the top row, that's the numbers, that was working. The problem I have, I think, so these are almost like glued together with two spots in the middle. So I can't like clean between the layers or anything. Underneath this is just LEDs. Yeah, seems that way. So pretty much everything is in this. I mean, some of these don't look level, but I don't think that's going to cause issues. How does this latch work? Oh, it's that one there. I'm going to loosen all of these off. I don't know if that's sticky or if that's... Right, let's just... pull that out of there. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use contact cleaner and a brush, and just try and scrub the board and this thing possibly, and then we'll see, test it again, see if that changes anything at all. If not, we'll have to try something else. But right guys, if I do manage to get this working again, I am going to do a giveaway for it. All you'd need to do is subscribe, like, and leave any comment you want. Just put giveaway in the comment, that way I know that you actually want the keyboard. Unfortunately, I will only be able to ship to people inside the UK just for cost reasons, and I'll do a draw for the giveaway once we hit 500 subscribers. Right, let's half put it back together and see if just clean has done anything. Someone let me know if I should let me just bring this back in. Someone let me know if I should clean between those two layers, if you know. But please only say if you know things. Don't say oh yeah, definitely do this if you're not sure, because I don't know myself, so I will probably end up taking your advice. Right. Hang on. I don't actually need to log in, I can see, right. Okay. Every time, just works. So it just seems like it needed a bit of a clean. I don't know what part of it needed a clean. But yeah, that's all it was. I would like to just show you it is working. Let's just do this. So see all these ones still work, and then all of those work. Don't know what I'm doing here now. Get off of this. I don't even know what button that's done that. And then the F button works because it brought up the find thing, but it didn't flash up there. Print screen. Print screen works. It's brought up the print screen function there, but it didn't show it on the thing. Scroll lock and pause. So every button works. Nice. There we go. Just F3 doesn't show because it brings up the find thing here. I don't know why it doesn't show there, but it definitely works. And print screen works as well. So yeah, again, thank you for watching, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe. It really does help. We are growing. I think we're at 250 subscribers now, which honestly, it feels great. Thank you everyone for subscribing and liking the videos and the comments. It really is great. Thank you very much.